Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. So, Google is months away from releasing the Pixel 7 Pro, which is set to launch alongside the Pixel 7 and the Pixel Watch. However, a display innovation has already been discovered that could improve battery life and performance when needed. The Pixel 7 Pro will feature second-generation Google Tensor Silicon. Among other changes, the Pixel 7 Pro has not arrived yet. The Lunarixes have determined details about its display. To recap, a prototype unit already confirmed that the Pixel 7 Pro is Cheetah, a codename that Google has already added in Android 13 developer preview builds. Seemingly, the Pixel 7 Pro could rely on its predecessor's cameras, which would be consistent with previous Pixel smartphone generations. It is already possible to load the Pixel 7 Pro's display driver on a Pixel 6 Pro, underlining the similarities between the two devices. The Pixel 6 Pro has a 6.71-inch AMOLED display with an LTPO backplane, a 120x 1440 pixel resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Presumably, the Pixel 7 Pro retains its predecessor's display, given display driver compatibility. While that may be somewhat disappointing, Android 13 will introduce the option of different display resolutions, which could reduce power consumption. Specifically, Google has added highest and high display options, which corresponds to 1440p, 3120 by 1440 in 1080p, 2340 by 1080 resolutions, respectively. Additionally, switching from highest to high reduces pixel density from 512 ppi to 384 ppi. Theoretically, running the Pixel 7 Pro at 1080p should improve battery life, which remains an issue for the Pixel 6 Pro. Also, switching the resolution to 1080p could improve in demanding games or apps. Unfortunately, it remains to be seen whether the Pixel 4 XL or Pixel 6 Pro will receive this software change. All other Pixel smartphones have 1080p displays or will be ineligible for Android 13, like the Pixel 3 XL. So far, Google has teased that the Pixel 7 Pro will launch in the autumn alongside the Pixel 7 and the Pixel Watch. The developer previews were intended for developers only and could thus only be installed manually. With the launch of the Android 13 beta program, however, Pixel users can enroll in the program to have the release roll out their devices over the air. Pixel devices that are eligible to install the Android 13 beta include the Pixel 4. Users who do not have a Pixel device or one of the aforementioned OEM devices can try the Android 13 beta by installing the newly released generic system image. Alternatively, Android 13 can be installed on PCs through the Android emulator. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.